Ke. And the final one? Ko. Excellent.
So we work with Post-Primary Languages Ireland, and we are basically giving students a taster of Japanese. So we tell them about the Leaving Cert, and we teach them a little bit of the numbers.
We teach them about the writing system. So in Japanese it's different. They have 3 scripts, 2 alphabets, and then they use kanji characters, which are Chinese characters, come from China. So we talk a bit about how that works, how the 3 scripts work together.
In Japanese, we learned how to say our name, and we learned 1 to 10, and then we learned about how the scripts of Japanese came about. Watashi wa Gary desu.
ちょっとありがとうはカジュアルでリピートしましょうか。ありがとうございます。どうぞ。ありがとうございます。ございます。